J.C. Penney said it best. The single greatest cause for failure in managers is their inability to delegate. Once decisions have been made by a group or individual, the next step is to determine who will do what, when, and to what standard. Delegation is the process of sharing responsibility for results. Leaders determine the ultimate objectives to be met and the resources available, yet they share and collaborate on the plan of action. This workshop will demonstrate the key steps of the delegation process to train and develop valuable team members while maintaining accountability and control. Many managers become discontented when they hear the word delegation. It may seem to them that in delegation they lose their authority, their power, their leadership. In truth, the opposite is true. By empowering their team members, they create more capacity to generate results and further their interests. This workshop is especially suited to managers and team leaders wanting to create fair but demanding accountability systems that get results, as well as individual contributors who aspire to step up their performance and take on more responsibility. The key competencies addressed include accountability, diversity, leadership, human resource application, and interpersonal skills.